welcome everyone on painting tutorial. Today we're gonna to paint poppy field landscape, and let's get to started. I already have a sketch, and first step I started to paint sky. For the sky I need sky blue and light blue. Next I have to mix white and a little bit of yellow color. Be careful not to mix wet blue color with yellow. We don't want it to have a green color on our sky. I let it dry, and second step I wanted to paint a grass. So I just take basic color, and it's that green one. Let's go to fill all the canvas with green. Let's back to the sky. I took for the sky a little bit of orange color and yellow and light blue, so be careful when you mix it all together. Make sure that it dries really well. Next, I wanted to make a sunlight. So for the sunlight, of course, I need yellow and white color. And let's go to make like this light. Okay, later we're gonna to come back to our sunlight. And next step, I wanted to make a background. As you can see, I make green rocks. Let's mix green, blue and white color to make our air perspective. It's not finished yet, so I go next to our trees. I already paint them, and I wanted to make a light on our background. I also add some of the yellow color on the grass. Okay, let's go to make a little bit of light. You can take white color and mix it with olive color. For the next step, I wanted to paint poppies just a little bit, just to see what I have on my own canvas. Okay, I think that's the most difficult part, because we have to make here a shadow with a light. Let's add more light. For the flower, take not red color, but if you can find another red color. It's called Vermilion. So this red color, when you mix it, it became like more orange, not like a pink. And here I wanted to make again here light and shadow. We need olive color, yellow color and white color. And that's it, just mix it. For the shadow, take a little bit of deep violet color, or you can take a blue color. Just mix them together, green color and blue color, or deep violet. So, and the final step is that to make a grass in foreground, just mix olive color, green color and maybe chromium oxide color. And also make them with white color for the light and mix with deep violet color for the shadow. Add some flowers and we're done.